Flosstube Craft Tube. My name is Tia and you've reached my channel here at Calm Creations on YouTube. This is a channel where I share all my crafty bits and pieces and things that I've been up to. So today is Friday the 23rd of July 2021 and I'll be showing you three things that I've been working on since May. I haven't done an awful lot of stitching. I've still stitched every single day, which has been one of my goals for this year, and I've been keeping up with that. Some days I may have only stitched one stitch, and some days I may have stitched you know, 600 or 700. You know, I still manage to get in a stitch every single day. So the three things that I've been working on in the last couple of months since my last update, I decided to do Mirabilia May, and I'm working on Snow Queen by Nora Corbett. So that's this one here. Oh, there's a bit of a glare. So, but I'll insert a picture of where I was up to last time you saw it and where it is now. So it's still on the scroll frame because I just every now and again I'll pick it up and I'll put some stitches into it. So here's where she's up to now. So I've done all the bottom part of the reindeer's legs, so that's all done down here. I haven't done any of the back stitching yet. I really want to do the beading, but I will wait until it's all finished. So I'm absolutely loving how she's looking. I've used my own colours. I don't have the water lilies, so I've used my own conversion of a variegated thread that's similar, and I think it looks okay. So I'm very, very happy with how that's coming along. So that's her. The next piece I pulled out to work on was for Christmas in July, and I wanted to get the next block finished in Christmas at Hawk Run Hollow, which is this one. Leaves that glare. So that, and I've done all of block 1, and I'm about a tiny bit into block 2. I was hoping to get block 2 finished this month for Christmas in July, but I got distracted by a sale and I had a new start, so that's been put aside. But I'll show you what I've done so far on that one. And so that is this one. So all I've managed to do is come across a bit here, and I've started the roof on the house. This block's pretty much a full coverage. There's a little motif that's got to come in down here, and some sort of bird. Oh, it's a peacock over here, and then the big house. So I haven't done an awful lot on that, but that's okay. It's out and I'm still doing it. So that is Christmas at Hawk Run Hollow. Now the other day Heaven and Earth Designs had their birthday sale, and I went along and had a look, and now there is a method to my madness which I'll tell you about. I went and had a look, and I found a couple of charts that I really, really liked. One was in my wish list that I didn't even realise was in there, and I got that too, so that was good. But I bought 3 charts, so I'll show you the ones that I bought. So I've only printed the cover page of 2 of them, but I bought A Crazy Wonderful Owl Family, and I just think they are so cool. I got the non-background version, so I'm just going to stitch it on a baby blue 18 count Aida that I've got quite a bit of, so then I don't have to do the background, which suits me fine. So that is that one, and I think that is just so super cute. And the one that was on my wish list, which I'd forgotten about, is this one, which is called Touch the Sky. Now orca whales are my absolute favourite. This will go one day on my ocean wall. I haven't started these 2, but these are the ones that I got in their sale the other day. And then the one, where did it go? There. The one that I started, now this is where my crazy brain comes into it. I had this idea that I would love to have a Haid finished in my lifetime. So I bought a quick stitch version of a chart. Now I believe that the quick stitches are different to the minis, where they're a snippet of the entire chart, but they still, it's not decreased in colours or anything like that. So I thought, yeah, I can do a quick stitch. So I bought chocolate, chocolate and more chocolate. Now if you know me, you know that I am a chocoholic, and how cute is that little dragon with all his chocolate? That's me. So this is a quick stitch and I've started it. So let me show you. There's not much. I've still got it on my thing from the frame from my Lowry, but you can't really tell what it's going to be, but that's my start. And I can see some chocolate bubbles forming, and I'm doing the colour complete method, so I just hope my counting is accurate. We'll see. But that is Chocolate, Chocolate and More Chocolate by Randall Spangler. And so that's the start over here of the page, of the first page, and then just past here, maybe just past these stitches, is the end of the design. So yeah, it's only 2.5 pages wide, I think, by 2 and a bit long. So it's still got a fair few stitches, and it's still got a good amount of colours, so we'll see. But that is what I've been doing. So those are the 3 charts that I bought from Haid, and then a little while ago they had a freebie which I think is absolutely stunning, and it's called Harmony. So it is the rainbow lorikeet, and I think that is just so beautiful, all the pretty colours. So I'll start that one day, maybe, we'll see. So that is that one. So that's my haul, plus, you know, threads every whenever I've needed them and other bits and pieces. But right, the other thing I did was I went on to Brooks Books website, and they've got a ton of free patterns on there. So I've downloaded a few of them, and I'm gonna stitch these as well. So the first one was, we got this especially in our current situation. I thought that is so cute. That's a little free one that they had on there. I've not seen that one before. And then the other one that I got was, now I've made them, these are series that they've got on there, and I've bound them into books so that I can keep them all together. And so these are their houses. So I've just made a, it's got a clear colour. I'll move that clear colour. So they've got a different house for each season. So that's the spring house. And then it's got winter, there's summer. Then we have got autumn. Because we have autumn here in the southern hemisphere, it's autumn. And then, what have we got next? Winter. So I thought those would be good to go up with my seasonal pieces. So that was that one. And then I got the year of birthday cakes, which is, oh, hang on. So that's the year of birthday cakes, which I thought was quite cool. So there's 12 designs, one representing each season. And then the other one that I got was the Advent Animals. Now this one's been around since released one or more per month from the third month, which is 2014. Yeah, so 2014, 2015. So this one's been out for a wee while. And it's the animals. I'll see if I've got a picture of, did I print that one? I printed every other page. No, but they're all the individual animals, 25 of them, and you can do ornaments, you can do a wall hanging. So I thought that'd be good for the kids when they come and visit. They can put up an animal or at Christmas time. So that's what I've been doing. I've been working on customer finishes, and I have been I've got a new YouTube channel, which is a paper craft related channel. So I'll put all the details below for that, so if you're interested in popping over there and having a look, all the details will be below. So I've been doing a bit of paper crafting again, so that's been really good. Other than that, everything is travelling along. Nothing exciting really been going on. So, hope you enjoyed your visit. Thank you very much for stopping by, and if you're new, thank you. And if you're a returning viewer, then thank you to you too. I want you all to be safe and wear your mask. Our borders are being closed at 1 AM to New South Wales, which has been declared, the whole state has been declared a hotspot. So yes, wear your mask when you go out. Otherwise, stay safe, and I will see you all again soon. Bye.